Happy Wednesday. I just wanted to briefly go over this new paper that just came out on a medical use case for Gemini and titled Advancing Multimodal Medical Capabilities of Gemini. So, Gemini being the proprietary large language model, or rather, large multimodal model from Google. And really, the big takeaway here in this short 2-minute clip is if you think about our musical instrument, right? Think of it as your typical AI model. Now, Gemini is different than the average bear, than the average model, in the fact that it's multimodal. Now, what does that actually mean? At a very high level, how this instrument right here, this is acoustic. So it just, right, there's no electricity in it. It just plays based off of that input. A multimodal model, think of like a acoustic electric ukulele or guitar, where it can end up inputting that, whether it's the electricity or the, you know, you strumming it regularly, and it can then produce based off of those different inputs and produce different outputs. Even the fancier guitars, electric, acoustic now, can play whole completely different sounds than just the typical guitar string sound. And that's so too can we see this multimodal model, which is it's natively, so as opposed to it having to be added on, can now be able to uh, be used in the medical domain for the purposes of particularly radiography. So we'll be going over this more in depth later on.